What's happening in North Carolina? Yo, they got your guy up here at PBS. Check it out.
Sensational.
Yo, we're gonna go in. We're gonna hang out with the team a little bit, chop it up and see what's happening. You guys stay plugged in.
We made it.
This is stuff you grew up on.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Damn.
And I know artists and movies.
We made it.
Wait, we gotta get cookie because it's my face.
Hey. We made it. Hey. We made it.
She's awesome. She's so awesome.
Hey.
I'm a fan. North Carolina. I am really here in the studio right now. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Look at the whole team. Look, everybody say hey. Look.
Transformed into a kid.
The head was so good it makes sense why you work in the head office. In 2007, I sat in the lobby of Motown and waited.
And George.
Now I walk in the building and
man.
go like,
Yeah. They posing over here.
when I walk through these halls, man, this beat should be
There she
playing.
go, the lady with the magic. Yo, North Carolina, if you don't know, you better ask somebody, baby. All gas, no brakes, 365. Let's turn up.
You
Peace.
needed a moment of silence. We made it. You fly out your lady, I fly.